Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Beginning of another week, and we are blessed with another job here. We've got a beautiful 21 Mustang GT that is going to get a 3.0 liter Whipple Supercharger installed. So we're going to get at it, get this car torn apart, get that Whipple in there, and then get it on the dyno, make some power, and get the customer out the door yet again, fully satisfied with a thorough, complete, and quality job. So we're going to get at it. I believe we're ready for the dyno, some dyno tuning. All right, guys, we just got through wrapping up the dyno tuning session with this customer's 21 Mustang GT. As you know, we brought it in. We sold the customer a 3-liter Whipple kit for his car here. We installed it. Everything turned out really, really well. We dyno tuned it. We did tweak the tuning a little bit versus what the supply Whipple tune offers. But anyway, we're on 93 octane, and we ended up with 682 rear wheel horsepower, 617 on the torque, and that's right on target. These 10R80 cars generally making a 680 range with a 3-liter kit with the standard setup, with the standard pulley, which is a 3.875, and yeah, it turned out really well. We're happy with it. You know, if this customer had a little higher octane, we probably could squeeze a little more power out of it, but it's right on point. and this customer can drive this car, enjoy it, daily it, running on pump gasoline, never have to worry about a thing. This car is completely stock other than a Roush axle back exhaust on it. Still got factory headers on it, factory catalytic converters. This is an emissions legal setup. So, you know, obviously you could put long tube headers on it, do other things, put a fuel system on it, run on E85 and make a lot more power. But this is what the customer wanted. This is a daily car, completely street legal, very drivable, operates well, street friendly. You really can't ask anything better. 680 at the wheels, very stout, and we're very happy for the customer, and I know he'll be happy as well. So anyways, guys, if we can help you with a Whipple setup, please hit us up. We'd be glad to get you a kit sent to you or have it sent here at the shop and then install it for you, get it dyno tuned, and send you out the door ready to go. As always, guys, thanks for following along. God bless each and every one of you, and we will see you again soon.